Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this session, I want to give the answers for the assignment 4 for the NPTEL course Python for Data Science. Okay, so here they have given some data, that is credit worthiness, which contain 1000 number of the observations of the individuals and 21 number of the attributes it is having. And the problem statement is, by observing the data set, it can be defined as the binary classification problem is given. And the category for the credit score we have to classify as good or bad. For this, the answers already we have completed. For this, the answers we got as, for question number 1, the answer is C. Question number 2, the answer is B, that is 38.44. And for question number 3, the answer is C, which is greater than 70%. The accuracy model is greater than 70%. And for question number 4 also, the answer is C, that is 20%. And for question number 5, the answer is A, the KNN classification is applied. The accuracy achieved here is 64%. And for question number 6, the answer is C actually, that is 1.06. This one is the answer. And for question number 7, the answer is D, that is 81.46. Question number 8, the answers are A, B, C. The first 3 answers are true. And for question number 9, the answer is C. The cost function of logistic function is also called as the log loss function. And now coming to the question number 10, the answer is dummy variables, B. Okay, in KNN model, by which means do we handle the categorical variables? Those are dummy variables. So these are the answers for Python for Data Science week 4 assignment. Once again, we see from the first onwards. Question number 1, the answer is C. Question number 2, the answer is B. Question number 3, the answer is C. Question number 4, the answer is C. Question number 5, it is A. Question number 6, it is C. Question number 7, it is D. Question number 8, it is A, B, C. Question number 9, it is C. And for question number 10, it is B. So these are the answers for this Python for Data Science week 4. And for coming sessions, we talk much more assignments on these NPTEL courses. So friends, do keep on watching, do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you all of you. Thank you one and all.